Hello everyone. The U.S. deer industry generates more than $7 billion a year, driving the livestock market according to the North American Deer Association. But what really goes on behind the fences of these high-risk farms, where science, business, and wildlife management collide? Watch Trending Farm's latest farming documentary to learn more about the mysteries of deer farming. New Zealand is the world's largest deer farming country, with an industry that has grown since the 1970s. Today, the country has around 1 million deer, produces over 12 million tons of venison annually, and exports over $65 million worth of antlers. Popular breeds include red deer, sika deer, rusa deer, and wapiti, which are farmed for meat, velvet, and leather. In many farming documentaries, New Zealand has also pioneered advanced breeding techniques, artificial insemination, and software-based herd management, ensuring high productivity and quality products. While Russia, China, Canada, and the United States have developed deer industries, New Zealand remains a global leader in scale, technology, and innovation. The hidden economy of deer farming operates through two main models: open-air sanctuaries and rural deer farms, each of which caters to different markets. Open-air sanctuaries, typically 1,000 to 5,000 acres, provide a semi-wild environment where large bucks are bred for high-end hunting preserves, with guided hunts costing between $5,000 and more than $50,000 per deer. In contrast, rural deer farms, typically 50 to 500 acres, focus on intensive breeding for venison, antler production, and live animal sales, contributing to the $7 billion U.S. deer industry. Reserve farmers praise the high profits from hunting, while ranchers emphasize the steady income from exporting meat and antlers. However, through farming documentaries, it can be seen that reserves face ethical debates over canned hunting, while ranchers struggle with disease control and strict regulations. Despite their differences, both models demonstrate the diverse economic potential of deer farming. Selective breeding and genetic engineering are transforming deer farming, allowing scientists to enhance antler size, body structure, and disease resistance through advanced genetic selection. In this farming documentary, researchers now use DNA analysis and AI-driven modeling to identify superior traits. with one geneticist stating, "We can now predict the potential of antlers before a deer is born." While this technology boosts profitability and herd quality, it raises ethical concerns. Are we pushing nature too far? What happens when wild deer mate with genetically modified farmed deer? Conservationists warn of genetic homogenization and unforeseen ecological impacts, sparking debate over the limits of science in wildlife management. Veterinary care on deer farms and sanctuaries is a high-stakes balancing act, where disease prevention is just as important as genetic and nutritional management. Chronic wasting disease, CWD, a neurological disorder, is a silent threat to the industry. Spread through contaminated soil, saliva, and even deer urine. Yet few outside the industry talk about it. How do farmers protect their multi-million-dollar herds from an invisible enemy? As one veterinarian specializing in deer health explains, one case of CWD can shut down an entire operation. The footage you're watching in this farming documentary reveals the silent battles behind the fences. Could these farms inadvertently cause a future epidemic? Please express your opinion in comment 1 if you have one. Proper nutrition is a critical factor in deer farming, directly impacting growth rates, antler development, and overall health. Unlike traditional livestock, deer have a slow growth period, requiring a precise balance of protein, minerals, and energy-dense feed to reach their full genetic potential. Advanced nutritional analysis helps farmers optimize diets with high-protein forages, supplements like calcium and phosphorus, and specially formulated pelleted feeds. In farming documentaries, the nutrition expert explains, proper nutrition can make the difference between a $10,000 deer and a $500,000 deer. With the right diet, deer grow larger, healthier, and more valuable, maximizing returns in this high-stakes industry. Once farmed deer reach 250 to 350 pounds, they are carefully selected for processing based on muscle quality, fat composition, and overall health. Deer fed a high-protein diet and strict biosecurity protocols produce leaner, higher-quality venison that is in high demand in high-end restaurants, specialty markets, and for export worldwide.
Again in the next videos. Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello, and see you again.